Okay guys, so let's try to scan this car, which is Mazda Atenza 2003. If it is work this OBD2. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how it works this OBD2 engine code reader into your car. Okay, how to use this using your mobile apps. Okay, so once if you have Android mobile, you can use it for your monitor using this OBD2 engine code reader. Okay, so I will show you what is inside. So this is very small modem guys, right? Okay, so this is the OBD2 response engine code reader using your Bluetooth technology. So if you have a Bluetooth into your mobile guys, so you can use it. No need using a Wi-Fi, so only a Bluetooth, so you can connect already. So let's find out guys. We do this step by step and then you can follow so what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's go guys, let's carry on. Okay guys, let's carry on. So what's my advice is to use your another mobile, which is your monitor. So all you have to do, go to Play Store. Okay, here, so just click this Play Store. Okay, we are here already. So what you're gonna do is to type the OBD2. Okay, so we select this OBD2. Go. Okay, so there is some list of apps here, pop up. So what apps we are going to use is to we select this Torque Pro. So we select this Torque Lite, this guys. Okay, so if you select this Torque Pro, so you will feed that one, I think $3, $3. So we tried this free apps. Okay, as you can see, Torque Lite OBD2 and car. Okay, click this. Okay, and then you upload. Okay, so you upload. So I have it already on my mobile. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay, let's open. Okay, welcome to Torque. As you can see guys, you see the blinking at the top. Okay, so it means that not yet connected to the ECU. As you can see, there is a car sign on the top, so it means not yet connected to the car, to your ECU. Okay, so not yet connected. Just click this. Okay, see, that is the display. So all you have to do guys is to on the Bluetooth. Okay, so all you have to do now is to connect this one here. Yes, we connect this just like that. Okay, so it's connected already into the computer port. Yeah, checking protocols. So that is the display guys. So now what we're gonna do is to connect the OBD2 into the fourth. Okay, so we connect already. So as you can see guys, it's still blinking on the top. See? So on that case, if still blinking the car sign on the top, so it means not yet connected. So it's not yet communicating to your ECU. So this is only Bluetooth guys, not a Wi-Fi. So if you have a Bluetooth into your mobile, so you can use it for your monitor. Okay, so now what we're gonna do now is to switch on the ignition key. Okay, try to switch on. We switch on the ignition key. Okay, let's see what happened to the monitor. Have a look. She's still checking the protocol code. See, have a look guys. Connected already. Connected to ECU. Okay. And then you can see the car sign is not blinking anymore. Okay. So it means we know already that it's already communicating to your ECU. Okay. As you can see. See, connected to ECU. Okay. So now it's already communicating to your ECU into your car. So we know that we already turned on the key. So now the next is we go to designs, the settings. Okay, as you can see, there is this is the menu guys. Menu, you can see the fault codes, add display, email logs, clear logs, receipt trip counters. Okay, so this is all the options that you want to use. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is to try this. So click this on add if it is working already. Okay, select type of display. So you can see the dial, graph, display, all data. Okay, so now we try to click this display. We try some options. Okay, add sensor, has data. Okay, we see the some option here. The fuel trim bank sensor. See, there is some option guys coming to this monitor. Okay, so we try one here. We try to select the RPM. Okay, so if it is working our RPM, as you can see, so engine RPM, we try this. Click. So you can select if it is you want small, medium, large display. So I want to try this large display. Click on that. Okay, so now we click the large display. Okay, so now it's already on our monitor. Okay, we're using only this mobile. Okay, as you can see, connected to ECU. Okay, and then there's no blinking anymore. You can see on that sign color blue, so it means already connected to our engine ECU. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is to start. So let's see what happened if this running this revs. So we try to revs the accelerator if the RPM's going running. Okay, so if this RPM running, so it means we are connected to this car. We are connected to the ECU. Okay, let's start. Wow, cool, eh? See, as you can see, this there is the RPM, guys. There is the reading. As you can see, wow, it works. It works perfectly to this car, Mazda Atenza 2003. Okay, as you can see, that is the RPM reading, and then we try to rev. See, as you can see, if I try to rev the accelerator, the indicator will running. Okay, so it means we are connected already. So as you can see, guys, so it's just the same with here in our dust. Okay, as you can see, and then we have a look on our monitor. Okay, so the ribs is moving. Cool, huh? Very cool. So I like this OBD2 engine code reader. So it works for this car, Mazda Atenza 2003. So let's try to switch off again. Okay, so it will stop. Okay, so now it's back to 0, and then there's no blinking. So but still on the key, still on. Wow, see, one more time if it is working. Wow, so it's moving, and also the RPM sign. Okay, guys, so that is how to use this OBD2 engine code reader. So I show you one more example, guys. So we check if there is a problem to this car, but this car is work perfectly, guys. There is no problem anymore. Okay, so as you can see, it's moving the RPM. If I try to rev the accelerator, so all right, it's cool, huh? Very cool. Okay, so now let's go to again to the I give you. Okay, we try some option here, guys. You click on this, click on the fault codes. So if there is a fault to this car, it's showing here in our monitor. Okay, as you can see, show log faults, clear log faults, so you can clear, show pending faults, show historic faults. So try to click on this, show pending faults. If there is fault this car, so it's showing here if there is, but if not, click on this. So just wait for a moment. So as you can see, guys, no pending fault codes stored in ECU. So we know that this car is work properly. So it's good running. So there is no problem at all. So we try only this for example, how to connect your OBD2. So one more example, guys. Click on this, and then click display. Okay, have a look. Only the widget. So click on this display. So you can see all the list here. Accelerator sensor total. See, you have some option here. Engine load, engine RPM, fuel trim bank, short one term. So all the list is communicating to your ECU. So all the information here in the computer. Okay, so writing on the monitor. Okay, GPS, throttle position, manifold. So we try to connect this one. Click on the throttle position. So try on only a medium. Wow, as you can see, that is the throttle of the reading. 18.0%. So let's try to start. Okay, as you can see guys, when I accelerate, so the throttle reading is moving. Okay, so meaning it's worked perfectly. So it's so cool. Okay guys, so I hope you get some tip this guy, and you know how to use this OBD2 engine code reader. So if you like it, you can buy online, or you can go to the nearest auto parts which have available for this OBD2 engine code reader, so that you can use it. It's very useful guys. Any mechanic technician can use this, so that it can easy for you to find out the problem of your car. So this is only my personal use, because sometimes we don't know, we can encounter problem to our car, so we can use this for saving the money, saving the time to diagnose the problem of our car. Okay guys, okay guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope it will helps to it's on everyone how to use this OBD2 engine code reader into your car.